A successful camping trip starts with packing the right gear to support you on your journey. Having brilliant camping gear will create your camping experience cozy for everyone. Also, these brilliant camping gear and gadgets are on another level as they have got some exceptional features and efficiency that no other delivers. However, here's the list of the top 5 brilliant camping gear and gadgets you must try.
Hello there, we're the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The GIGA Pump 2 is a rechargeable handheld pump that suits the palm of your hand with a few hidden tricks. This is an automatic mini air pump that has a compact and lightweight body along with USB rechargeable, cordless and waterproof features. Compared with traditional manual pump, it is highly portable and powerful, which saves the time and manual energy of inflation for most inflatable products. It can also support deflation and certain level of vacuum packing. You'll be really happy this pump arrives with a USB-C type connector. An LED glows red while charging and green when done, and it arrives with an ultra-bright lantern with a brightness of 40 lumens to 400 lumens. This has 3 levels of lighting. With up to 10 hours of battery life, this delivers you with more convenience both in your outdoor and daily life. The rechargeable 3900 mAh lithium-ion battery power set, and once you charge it, it lasts long enough to fast inflate more than 10 single air mattresses, vacuum more than 20 large vacuum bags, and last up to 10 hours of illumination. This pump is only 89 grams and the size is as small as a key, so you could carry it with you anywhere at any time. Overall, it's a multifunctional and portable air pump for your outdoor activities and daily life. The ZIROCTD FlameCube camp stove is a wood-burning camp stove that can also charge your phone while you cook. The stove has a few special features that make it very versatile. This easily unfolds the foldable grate, pulls out the blue control module and locks it into place. And no tools are required for fast disassembly and easy cleaning. It also delivers 3 different air speeds with different applications such as grill, boil and turbo. It can be a stove, a heat generator or a power bank. This is equipped with a 2500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery that can be used as a power bank to charge devices when there's no fire. Using an integrated USB port, you can deliver emergency power for your USB devices, like a phone, USB LED light, etc. Moreover, this stove is equipped with a rotatable pot holder that can accommodate different sized cookware. So, if you're more tech-savvy and love the idea of being able to recharge devices in remote areas with fuel that you can find, this might be the stove for you. The Helix lantern from Princeton Tech is packed with features that arrive in handy, whether you are camping in the woods or hanging out in the backyard. For a completely exceptional design, look no further than the Princeton Tech's Helix backcountry. This has a cool and efficient design. It is collapsible and has folding legs. It is lightweight, small, puts out 300 lumens and is water resistant. And on top of all, this has a decent price. This has 4 folding legs and all 4 of them act as hangers too, so you can hang the lantern in different positions. Also, there's a larger metal handle you can use to hang the lantern. The legs can be folded or unfolded independently, depending on how you like to tilt the lantern and where exactly you require the light. It features a button-free control panel. Additionally, it is created for area illumination and disperses light in a 360-degree pattern to light up a campsite or other area. This lantern is IPX6 rated, meaning it is water resistant, so you can use it in torrential rain without worrying it will get ruined. All in all, the Princeton Tech Helix is a brilliant little gadget in every aspect. Plus, it is affordable, portable, small, lightweight, and versatile. The Matador NanoDry towel is an absolute beast as a backpacking towel and even as a camping towel. This Matador NanoDry's biggest appeal is its weight. and nanofiber material is 2.3 times lighter than microfiber towels and packs down small, creating it simple to bring anywhere. This towel air dries fast, so you can pack up and get on with your travels. This towel is kind of soft, it is smooth to the touch, and it is not stiff at all. Compared to other camping towels, this Matador feels much thinner. You get a cool looking storage pouch, the Matador NanoDry towel, and a small carabiner that derives attached to the storage pouch, though it can be detached simply. Plus, this Matador NanoDry towel has a hanging loop, so you can hang your towel on a hook at home, on a clothesline the outdoors, or even on your pack when you are hiking. And the storage pouch is created of silicone and has ventilation on one side. Therefore, for backpacking, hiking, or when space and weight are a priority, this Matador NanoDry towel will be an absolute gem. If you are a camper with lots of gear or a family with piles of stuff, the North Face Wawona 6 tent will be the best for you. Complete with a large, weatherproof vestibule for storage, this tent 6 is easy to set up and has lots of headroom. It is massive, sturdy, and easy enough to pitch. This tent's floor area is 86.11 square feet, and heavy-duty poles add stability, and it arrives with storage pockets, dry lines, hang loops, and lantern hanger for convenience. Important features of this tent are large, weatherproof storage vestibule with 2 doors and an additional smaller vestibule by the side door. Also, its hybrid double-wall design and large mesh front door deliver excellent ventilation. Its ceiling pockets can hold headlamps, lights, and tablets when you are out camping. It does weigh in at around 20 pounds and 15 ounces when fully stored in this gear bag. In addition, its larger vestibule space is outstanding for family camping, as you can use it to store bikes, chairs, toys, or your camp kitchen setup. Finally, the North Face Wawona 6 is a value-rich option, and it is a high-quality build at a reasonable price point for a huge 6-person tent.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.